Now in this session also we'll see the solved examples of integrals. Here the example I have taken integration of x plus 2 upon square root of 3x plus 1 dx, that is equals to, now as I have told that we are writing the numerator in terms of the denominator, means if the rational function is there, we'll write the numerator in terms of the denominator. When the function multiply function is there, that time we'll express one term in a terms of the another. Okay, so now here we have in square root 3x plus 1, so the function is 3x plus 1 raised to 1 by 2. We'll not consider the power now. So the function is 3x plus 1 and we have the numerator x plus 2. Now we'll express x plus 2 in terms of this 3x plus 1. Now we have x plus 2, so and we need 3, so we'll multiply by 3, and we want original x, so we'll divide by 3 also. So 1 by 3 in bracket 3x, when we'll multiply this 1 by 3 inside, it will be again x. Now we want plus 1, so we have written plus 1. If plus 1 is multiplied with 1 by 3, it will be plus 1 by 3, and we are not having here plus 1 by 3, so we'll subtract it, so it will be minus 1 by 3. Now it will be balanced, and in our original function in the numerator plus 2 was there, so we have written plus 2. Now when we'll simplify this step, it gives x plus 2 only. Understood? Now 1 by 3 in bracket 3x plus 1. Now we have calculated minus 1 by 3 plus 2, it is 5 by 3. Now we'll put this value in this step, so it will be 1 upon 3 in bracket 3x plus 1 plus 5 by 3 upon square root of 3x plus 1. Now we'll separate the integral with this denominator, so it will be 1 by 3, it will come outside, integration of 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 1 upon 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 1 by 2 plus 5 upon 3 integration of 1 upon 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 1 by 2 dx. Now raised to 1 and raised to half, and same base is there, we can subtract the powers, so it will be 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 will be 1 by 2. Okay, so it will be 1 by 3 integration of 3x plus 1 raised to 1 by 2 dx plus 5 by 3 integration of, now this power will be negative in the numerator, so it will be 3x plus 1 bracket raised to minus half. Now we'll use the power rule and we'll divide with the derivative of this function. Okay, so 1 by 3, this 1 by 3 as it is. Now 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 into derivative of 3x will be 3. Okay, now this 5 by 3 as it is, 3x plus 1 bracket raised to minus 1 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1, and derivative of 3x plus 1 is 3. Now in the next step, and plus c, that is the constant of integration. Now in the next step it will be 1 by 2 plus 1 will be 3 by 2 into the 3, this 3. Now it will be 1 upon 27, 2 upon 27 it will be there, and 5 upon 3 into 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 1 by 2 minus half plus 1 will be 1 by 2, and this 3 as it is plus constant of integration. Now this will be 10 upon 9 and this will be 2 upon 27. So here 2 upon 27 into 3x plus 1 bracket raised to 3 by 2 plus 10 by 9 bracket 3x plus 1 raised to 1 by 2 plus constant of integration. Understood? Now we'll see the next example. Evaluate first one, integration of sine of ax plus b into cos of ax plus b dx. Here the angle for sine and cos is same, so we can use one formula here, that double angle formula, that is sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta, but here only sine theta and cos theta is given, means sine theta into cos theta is given, so it can be written as sine theta into cos theta can be written as sine of 2 theta upon 2, because sine of 2 theta is equals to 2 sine theta cos theta. So here our theta angle is ax plus b, so sine of 2 into ax plus b upon 2. Any doubt in this? Okay, now we'll go next step. 1 by 2 as it is, so integration of sine of 2 ax plus b. So we know that the derivative of cos x is minus sin x, so integration of sin will be minus cos. So minus cos of this 2 as it is, this angle as it is ax plus b, and the derivative of this angle 2 into ax plus b, that 2 as it is, and derivative of ax plus b will be a, plus constant of integration. So it will be minus of 1 by 2 into 2 will be 4, and a as it is, so minus cos 2 bracket ax plus b upon 4 times a plus constant of integration. Understood? Now the next example, integration of 3 times sin x plus 4 times cosec x bracket square. Now we'll simplify the bracket. It will be 9 times sin square x plus twice of a into b, that is twice of 3 into 4 into sin x into cosec x, plus second term square, that is 4 square, that is 16, and cosec square as it is. Now we'll separate the integral. It will be 9 integration of sin square x dx plus 24 integration of 1 dx, because sin x and cosec x both are the reciprocals of each other, so their product will be 1. Now plus 16 integration of cosec square x dx. Okay, now we can find the integration of this and this easily, but we don't know the integration of sin square x, so we'll convert this in the form of linear form of cos, that is we'll use the double angle formulae for cos. Now we can directly write sin square x as a 1 minus cos 2x upon 2, because we know that cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sin square theta, and if cos square theta is there, that time we can use 1 plus cos 2 theta upon 2. Okay, now so it will be 9 integration of 1 minus cos 2x upon 2 dx plus this integral as it is, because in one step only we are finding all the integrals. We will not solve directly this now. If we are writing in the integration of this and plus 24 times x, directly we will not write. We will solve all integrals at a time. Okay, now 9 by 2 as it is. Now integration of 1 will be x minus integration of cos 2x will be sin 2x, and this 2 is different from this because it is the derivative of this angle, that is 2x, so it is 2. Bracket complete, plus 24 as it is, integration of 1 is x, plus 16 integration of cosec square x is minus cot x plus constant of integration. So we'll multiply this 9 by 2 inside, because one more term is there with x, so 9x by 2 minus 9 by 4 sin 2x plus 24x minus 16 times cot x plus constant of integration. Now 9 by 2 plus 24 is 57 by 2, so it will be 57 by 2 times x minus 9 by 4 times sin of 2x, here 2x is there, minus 16 times cot x plus constant of integration. Understood?